Hi, I'm Greg Baldini, one of the developers of Tabular Editor. I'm here to show you how you can use UDFs, user-defined functions, with our day one support in Tabular Editor. We'll look at an example of a measure that is doing a comparison to prior month. With this measure, I might want to repeat this logic in multiple different places, and rather than copying that exact logic into many different measures, I can instead create a new function that will encapsulate this logic. So I will create a new function in my model, and I can use our code actions to create the correct syntax for a function. Now I'll paste in the function body that I had before, and here I'll replace this reference to sales hard-coded instead with a reference that I'll pass in as an argument to this function. You can see that we've got code actions and auto-completion to help you write functions correctly. And now I'll replace this hard-coded reference with our parameter. Now I have a function that I can reuse that will do the same comparison versus the prior month anywhere that I might like to use it. Let's go back to that first measure and replace it with this function. So here I can replace all of this measure body with the reusable function code. I can save that, and then we can check out a pivot table that will show that our prior month comparison is working perfectly. Here we can see each month is the difference from the prior month. So that shows off how we can use and create user-defined functions in Tabular Editor. I hope this will help you to make better semantic models in the future. See you next time.